The new Honeywell Dehumidifier. Performance you can trust, features you'll love. Excessive humidity inside homes can cause mold and mildew growth. The new Honeywell Dehumidifier reduces levels of unwanted moisture in the air for a more comfortable living. By reducing your humidity to a comfortable 40 to 60%, the new Honeywell Dehumidifier helps prevent mold and mildew growth on surfaces in your home. The easy-to-use control panel allows you to set your desired humidity level. With the continuous mode function, the fan runs continuously to enable the compressor to work in an energy-efficient way and to ensure your selected humidity level is constant. Timer control allows you to set how long you would like to run your unit. An auto defrost indicator lets you know when your machine is defrosting. The dehumidifier can collect up to 10 litres in 24 hours in an onboard water tank. Easily remove the tank to empty, or use the provided drainage hose to allow the units to run without the need to empty the water tank. The filter is quickly removed and easy to clean. Simple carry handle and wheels make it easy to reposition the unit in your home. Elegant and modern design, with a 3-year guarantee, you know it will last. The Honeywell HDE010E dehumidifier. Performance you can trust, features you'll love.